little friends! Are you ready to learn your ABCs? Let's go on a fun alphabet adventure!
Here we go! Starting with the very first letter. A is for apple, crunch, crunch. B is for ball, bounce, bounce. C is for cat, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof. E is for elephant. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream, yummy! J is for jam. K is for kite in the sky. L is for lion, roar. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for present. Q is for queen. R is for robot, beep boop. S is for snake. Shh. T is for train, choo choo. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for waves. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Look at all those amazing letters! You learned the whole alphabet! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye!